guys, this is your host Akshada from DHC New Homes, and today we are here to embark the journey of a luxury. We are here at Lodha Stella, and today I'm going to help you explore a 4 BHK configuration, 1585 square feet, and you're going to experience the journey of luxury. If you talk about the location, guys, this is falling at Kapurbaudi Junction, just at 2 minutes of distance from your Eastern Express Highway. You can see the location of the project, guys. You have 4 elite towers, out of which you have currently the left inventories are 3 BHK, 4 BHK, and you have penthouses left. If I talk about the amenities that they are providing luxurious 40 plus world-class amenities, guys, out of which comes your 25,000 square feet area comes your sports arena, as well as if you see in 14,000 square feet area comes your clubhouse, guys. And if I talk about the structure, you can just have a look. You have the amenities right here. This is how the amenities are going to be provided, as well as you can just look at the structure, guys. You see, you're going to experience a luxurious experience here. Just have a look. Walk you through the 4 BHK 1585 carpet, inviting you to embark the journey of luxury. Just look at this flat, guys. This is your 4 BHK 1585 carpet area. As soon as you come in from the entrance, just on the right hand side, you have your kitchen space, guys. Just look at it. This is your kitchen platform. Here comes your sink area. You have enough storage, and along with this kitchen area, you have your dry balcony. Just look at how spacious the dry balcony is. Comes your washing machine right here, place for your fridge. Once you just come outside the kitchen, you have your living space, guys. Just look at it. This could be your sitting area right here. You have your center table, TV unit. As soon as you come from here, there is ample of space to fit in your dining table, just right here. Once you just explore the hall area, just on the right side comes your first bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. Just look at how spacious it looks. Here you have enough space to fix in your walk-in closet. It can be customized as per your own needs. You have an attached washroom along with your master bedroom. As soon as you come outside, you have your common washroom right here. Just have a look. Again, this comes with a good amount of space. On the left, on my left, you have your second bedroom. This is a common bedroom or can be used as a guest bedroom. Once you just come outside from here, on the left again, you have one more master bedroom. Just look at the space, guys. You can arrange a sitting here. Comes your study desk, TV unit, and your wardrobe size. Again, it comes with a very luxurious attached washroom along with a bathtub. You have enough space to fit in your bathtub here, guys. Just look at how luxurious it looks. Once you come outside of your third bedroom, comes your final and last 4th master bedroom. Just look at it, guys. Look at how spacious it is. You have your bed, comes your table. Along with that, you have again your attached washroom. Just look at it. Just have a look, guys. So as soon as you come out from here, you have ample of space here to fix in your wardrobe. And then with this, we complete this 4 BHK apartment in Thane, Ghodbunder Road. This is just 2 minutes distance from your Eastern Express Highway. Just come and have a look. Along with this, it is not ending here. The apartment is not ending. You have a humongous balcony. Just look at it. Just look at the size, guys. You can enjoy your evening tea, your morning sunrise, sunset, and you can just have this good amount of space with a good balcony, and you can enjoy the view for your whole lifetime.